All right, now what we're going to talk about right now is just general firearm safety. Now, as you can see here, I don't have ammunition. I have an empty magazine, and I basically only have this magazine here to show and simulate this safety. I'm going to put the magazine in. I'm going to release the bolt. Now, right now, if I were to have a loaded magazine, we would have a round and battery. But to go over the simple steps, we're going to point into a safe direction, always in a safe direction. And we're going to pull back the bolt. We're going to lift the bolt catch to lock the bolt out. We're physically going to look to make sure that there's not a round in battery. Now that we notice that there's a round not in battery, we're going to come down to the bottom of the firearm and we're just going to pull back the magazine release and release that magazine. And as we can all see, we have an unloaded firearm. You can even go into so much as to physically look inside the magazine well to make sure that there's not a round caught inside. And by looking in here, I know that there's not a round caught. I know I can see that there's not a round stovepiped inside the breech. There's nothing attached to my ejector. We have a safe firearm to work with.